Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are PSD interior Brochures catalog templates. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here are 10 files in Adobe PSD format and are totally customizable. You can edit them. These are pre-built templates. You can just put your own information here and ready to print. Here this you can customize it. I edit this. Okay, so you will not have this, you have the other text that was before, and here is other 2018 collection, and you can just control S for save and so on. And here are changing line colors also on the completely customizable. I know you can do this. So here are 10, just open 5 one. These files are free to download from our website build GFX. Here is the 5th one. Add your own photo here. So doing first one and 6. Here add your photos and name them and write about them or your product or anything. So download this, just need to click on the link in the description, and here is my website build GFX, and here you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.